Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the grid on camera. Understanding and using the grid overlay can significantly enhance your photography. It's a powerful tool for composition, helping you apply principles like the rule of thirds. This simple feature ensures your photos are well-balanced, have straight lines, and guide the viewer's eye effectively. Let's dive into how to activate it on various devices. For DSLR and mirrorless cameras, begin by navigating to your camera's main menu. You'll typically find the grid option under Display Settings, Viewfinder Options, or Custom Functions. Look for terms like Grid Display, Composition Grid, or Rule of Thirds. Once located, simply select your desired grid pattern, commonly a 3x3 overlay, to activate it on your screen or in your electronic viewfinder. Activating the grid on your smartphone is usually very straightforward. First, open your device's native camera application. Then, look for the settings icon, which often appears as a small gear or 3 dots. Within the settings menu, you should find an option labeled Grid, Grid Lines, or Composition Lines. Simply tap to toggle this feature to the on position and you'll see the lines appear. Once your grid is active, use it to elevate your photography. Try aligning your main subject along one of the grid lines, or place points of interest at the intersections for a more dynamic composition. Always use the horizontal lines to ensure your horizons are perfectly level. Consistent practice with the grid will help you instinctively compose stronger, more visually engaging photographs over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.